Hello, my name is Jax, and today I'll be showing you something about electromagnetic induction. Alright, so here we have a giant electromagnet. We have an iron core running down through here. We supply 120 volts of alternating current through this coiled wire, and it'll cause a time-varying electromagnetic field, which will cause a current in here. So, right here I have an aluminum ring, and as you will see, it jumps up. Now, between trials, I'll have to turn this off or else it'll get too hot. So now we have another aluminum ring, same one. This time has a little stub right here, it creates an open circuit. When you put it on, nada. To demonstrate the difference between the two, I have these coiled wire rings here and light bulb attached. When we have one on, like this, you'll see there's a light. Now when you have the two ones opposing each other, there will be no light. And when they agree with each other, the light will be twice the brightness. Now, going back to the same aluminum ring we started with, I will put it in this liquid right here and chill it to negative 196 degrees Celsius. For safety, I'll put these gloves on. I will drop this in. And I'm going to boil until it reaches an equilibrium, at which point it'll be the same temperature as the liquid, and then I'll put it back on the electromagnet and we'll see what happens. Now, once you've reached thermal equilibrium, I'll put this back on, and we will see what happens. As you can see, it's gone significantly higher than the first one. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you remember this experiment when you learn about magnetic induction. Thank you.